Recorded here at WSBK, Ponderosa with Never Come Back. We also heard from Matthew Ryan with Summer in the South. And a long line of cars for those of you stuck in traffic trying to get to Grandma's house holiday season. We can support this hour from the Louisville Science Center, and they're setting schools out science camps. This is running December 19th through the 23rd, also the 27th through the 30th, full-day themed camps for grades kindergarten through 6th, including hot and cold science, Da Vinci's Inventions, sticky things, and magic. Details at LouisvilleScience.org/events. Also from the Louisville Center for Spiritual Living, hosting Esther Nixon, who will present the Keys to Abundant Living workshop Sunday, January 8th at 12:30 p.m. following Sunday services at 1:30. The workshop offers patients an inward journey of rediscovering abundance. More information, address, and directions that's available at lcslonline.org. Will it ever stop raining? I suppose we could be buried under the snow, so I suppose I shouldn't complain. Right now, 46, looking for a high today of around 50, and 46 for tomorrow. A high of 45 and a low of 31. On the this hour, I've got some Dale Earnhardt Jr., also some Ben Otwell as well. Right now, Leon and the Redbones getting into the Christmas spirit with Winter Wonderland, 91.9 FBK, Radio Louisville.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Walking winter wonderland. Gone away is the moon. Here to stay is the new moon. That sings along slow as we go along. Walking in the winter wonderland.